This message is a warning and a reminder for any surviving Jedi. Trust in the Force.
You wield your weapon like a Jedi.
Yes, he does.
That's your first mistake.
Do not return to the temple. That time has passed, and our future is uncertain.
Look at the skyline, or how gorgeous it looks like. I'm so excited. You excited to go back to Planet Batuu? Wow! Yeah? Baby Yoda's so excited to be on a spaceship. Don't touch that.
It's not a toy.
All passengers must disembark at this station.
We've arrived to Hollywood Studios Park, and we're going to take you to Planet Batuu. Like I've told you, like maybe it's several times already. Baby Yoda's in our backpack. He wants a little air conditioning because he was getting a little hot with that coat on. Let's go find KYLO REN.
Stay here.
Unfortunately, I can skip with you. Do you want me to skip with you?
Yeah, skip with me. Sure.
Okay, let's go. Of course. Where are you guys going first?
We're trying to get obviously Rise of the Resistance first.
Oh, gotcha. Yeah, how exciting. Well, have fun. Oh, hello.
Hi, Karina.
Bye, have fun, guys.
Sad news, ETT squad. We went to virtual queue. We didn't get the 10 o'clock, and Baby Yoda's so pissed off. He's about to start doing some magic powers on things, but we gotta try the 1 o'clock. Hopefully we get the 1 o'clock, but right now it says low capacity, but it seems like a lot of people here. I mean, right now you don't see a lot of people because it's July. Light here, but once we walk in that area, it's a little bit more busier. I don't know, because it's the first hour. Everyone's getting in, you know? What do you think about us not getting on the 10 o'clock virtual on Rise of the Resistance? Please. No, I know. I know he's sad. I miss the Stormtrooper March, right? Too bad. Right now they'd be marching down the street. We'll go on Mickey and Minnie's Runaway Railway. That's a tongue twister, isn't it? Mickey's Runaway Railway.
That's what happens when a bug flies up the dogs, you know. Now.
Yeah, he doesn't like bugs.
He doesn't like bugs?
He doesn't like bugs.
Baby Yoda doesn't like bugs either.
What?
No, you don't like bugs, right?
That's the Baby Yoda.
He likes frogs, but he doesn't like bugs. Now,
That
Baby
can't be
Yoda.
Yoda. Yoda came home with the Force years ago, and he was over 900 years old.
Yeah, no, he's not 900. He's not over.
I was like, he's also smaller than I was picturing him. I've only heard tales.
Yeah, and he wants to know what lightsabers you have that are available.
Oh, so all the ones that we actually have right here, so you have Obi-Wan Kenobi's, you do have Rey, since she was the last one to hold it. It is also the one that was Anakin's and Luke Skywalker's. And then you have Ahsoka over here. Now I will let you know, these are all for Doc's display purposes. He's actually made a little bit of a deal with Sabi, and he's actually put them over there. So if you wanted to purchase them, they're over at Sabi.
Oh, so we have to go to Sabi's
You
to
do,
purchase
yeah.
now. Because before we used to come in here and just look at all the lightsabers and able to purchase anyone. Wow, it's okay, so we have to go over there.
But these are nice too, so you can see them up close before you go all the
You
way over there.
have a current producer?
But you don't get to build them over there, right?
Currently, no.
No. Kyber crystals? Any orange kyber crystals?
Well, I don't have orange. I have yellow though.
I wish you had orange.
Now, I've only heard tales about the black one.
Blacks are hard. It's hard to get that
it's
one.
so rare. I have not personally ever seen one. Doc, to his knowledge, he says they're all red, but you know,
Really?
you never know what's out there, what might come through. So, I know I have heard a legend. Apparently, the black one, it calls to you. So if you get it, then it is actually calling to you. So that's.
I don't think Baby Yoda's gonna want a black kyber crystal. Do you think?
Or fun.
My sister-in-law has a blast shit like that.
Oh yeah.
Yes.
I was like, I don't have enough credits for that.
I have a lot of little kyber crystals on this. This is loaded with kyber crystals.
It could become unstable.
Yeah.
Yeah. Don't say unstable kyber crystals. Doc is nervous.
Yeah, he's gonna get.
What was that?
Doc is nervous.
Doc, you're making Doc nervous.
Because you say unstable, I hear credits going away.
Yeah, I'm like, I hear my name going on Doc's
You're
list.
making Doc nervous, and we don't want. We're trying to protect our asset right now. We don't want to get tracked. We don't want to get tracked in here. No tracking. That's for sure.
Let's talk lightsabers.
Back to lightsabers. Kylo wants to
So that is
Ben
Ben's.
right there. Yeah, Ben's.
It's time to let old things die.
So that one's Ben's. That
He
one
loves
is
Ben.
a blue.
I want you to join me.
That's quite beautiful of one. And then over here you do have a Saj Ventress. So if you also notice a little thing, it kind of looks like possibly Count Dooku.
Count
Dooku. Familiar with those legends? Legendary Darth Vader one.
He's gonna do his magic hands and crack the glass.
Oh no, no cracked glass. I was like, I don't have enough credits to fix Doc's.
And all the red kyber crystals.
It's the Sith holocron.
Sith.
And the Jedi.
Baby Yoda doesn't like the Sith. Go
the
destroy
Jedi.
the Sith.
The Jedi holocron.
This is the one he wants. I know.
This is Master Obi-Wan Kenobi. I regret to report that both our Jedi Order and the Republic have fallen, with the dark shadow of the Empire rising to take their place.
The Empire is the true power.
This message is a warning and a reminder for any surviving Jedi. Trust in the Force.
Trust
Do
in
not return to the temple. That time has passed, and our future is uncertain. We will each be challenged. Our trust, our faith, our friendships. But we must persevere, and in time, a new hope will emerge. May the Force be with you.
Jedi? That's an ancient myth. A stupid religion that died out years ago.
You tell them what to do. You got all the magic powers. The fight with KYLO REN. Use your force.
So these lost cats are from Lothal. They're different species of chuka. These are really nice, really fun. They can purr and chirp if you pet them, but they can get a little angry, especially if you pull on their tail.
Oh,
very
they get
gentle.
angry?
They can. It's really funny though, because they get a little angry.
Oh, that's so funny. So Baby Yoda's gonna try to pull his tail right now.
Oh yeah,
And how about these creatures over here? The ones over here?
At the bottom?
The one that sounds like a witch. That's the one that they're always
They
eating.
look a little like it too, huh?
They're always grilled. I like that. They seem to taste good. The grilled. Tastes like grilled chicken.
I agree. So
Tastes like grilled chicken. Now Baby Yoda's gonna want a piece of him.
They're Kowakian monkey lizards, and they're very mischievous. So if you're looking for a dog, I suggest someone who's a little more experienced creature caretaker. But they are really fun.
Do you think Baby Yoda can take care of him?
Maybe not. So I understand that he might be a couple hundred years old, but
he might eat him.
I mean, that too. That might happen. Hero the Hut is our local hut. He's the only one living here on Batuu, or at least on a Blackspire Outpost. He has a Kowakian monkey lizard named Live With, who constantly gets loose. He's always wreaking havoc. He gets into our rafters sometimes and messes with all the creatures.
Oh, he does?
So it happens all the time, unfortunately. You can't keep track of it. Very good example for keep track.
Yeah, and how about, tell me something about that creature that looks kind of like that's like a droid, isn't it?
That's a cricket spider.
That's a cricket spider?
And they can relatively like me remember where they're from, but their biggest prey will be dogmas, actually.
Oh, okay. And how about these? This creature.
Those are duvets. They do really well in deserty planets, so like Tatooine, and they get very big, so a lot of people use them for transport.
That's what Baby Yoda's usually rides on.
Yeah, yeah.
Yeah. He likes him. You want to take him home? You want this to be your transport? Huh? So you can go and Rise of Resistance, see KYLO REN?
Oh. Supreme leader. Woo.
Yeah, the supreme leader.
He's terrifying.
We've been looking for the supreme leader and he hasn't been around. And the lieutenant in the first order.
Yeah, he can be a little scary sometimes.
Yeah.
A little intimidating.
He is. Are you scared of KYLO REN? I don't think Baby Yoda's scared of him at all. He has more power than KYLO REN.
Does he?
Yeah, he does.
I crush him as you do, as you are Dad.
Excellent advice.
Troopers! Supreme Leader, sir!
Have you found the Resistance spy, Lieutenant?
Yet, but I have dispatched a reconnaissance patrol in sectors 8 and 9, sir.
The spy was tracked here. And if she is here, the Resistance could be here. You were sent to find her. But you have failed.
AT&T Scott, we're here at the Disney Riviera Resort, and I'm gonna do a room tour. Let's go. I'm in 85, look at Echoes, hello, hello. Room 8513. Wait till you see the view. Let me show you. Oh my goodness. Got your personal mirror right there, a closet, huge closet. Let's show ETT Squad. I'm gonna show the closet how big. Look, you got your mirror. Getting ready to go to the pool. We're at the French Riviera. You got the huge closet with your extra pillow blanket, your all extra stuff. You even have a vacuum cleaner. And now we have a humongous shower and bathtub. Look. La, 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 la. Let me close this. You got your own sink. Only just one. This one has just one sink, which is fine. And then you got your another shower and bathtub. And you got all your amenities, your shampoo, conditioner, your gel soap, body gel soap. And then you got your mini kitchen. We're ready. We're ready to, got all my cups. We're going to be at Planet Batuu, Disney Animal Kingdom. We got all our snacky snacks, microwave, all your goodies, and then of course our bed. What the heck? Look at him.
Look at him.
He's already rested. He's taking his nappy nap because we were at Animal Kingdom all day, so he's so tired. He's tired, and then I got my hats. ETT Squad, I got all my hats. Vacay all day. I got this hat, and then I got Summer Vibes. Oh yeah. God, I just love all the light fixtures. We have to show them the light fixtures. And then you got besides that, you got your full bed with drawers underneath, so you can put your suitcases. I forgot, love you can put your suitcases underneath the bed. Yeah. And then you have your flat screen. Then you have...
Got it?
Yeah, I got it. I think Baby Yoda, look at this. Pascal, look at this. This is so awesome. I love this. It's cozy, so all you kids, when you get in this room, you can choose this bed right here.
You can fight for it.
You can fight for it. It's actually cozy. That bed is actually really soft. And then we got... Or check this out. Baby Yoda, do your magic trick. Do your magic trick. Open. Whoa, look at this. And then you got your another... Whoa, look at... Oh, it makes all this noise. It's doing another bed, kids. Look at this. Dalmatians, 101 Dalmatians. Baby Yoda's so happy. He wants to watch all the shows. He wants to watch Disney Plus. Then you got your little table. And then the best part of this room, wait till you see the view. Oh, yes. Then wait till you see the view. The Skyliner. Look at this. Look at the Skyliner, how gorgeous it looks like. I'm so excited. You excited to go back to Planet Batuu? Yeah? Yeah, that's a spaceship. That's our spaceship. If you remember on one of the videos, we rode a spaceship, remember? To Epcot, to Planet Epcot. But we're going to be taking the Skyliner and go straight down that way, straight to Hollywood Studios, Planet Batuu.